Let us now study the advantages of AC, this alternating current in long distance power transmission. Okay. So first one, we must send the power in a generator to another city, okay, or another place there. So for that, what we must do, we must send using wires only. Okay. So but when you send using a wire, there will be heat loss there. Okay. The heat loss is given by Joule's law of heating. Okay. Okay, that is Joule's heating. That is I square R. Okay, where I is the current, R is the resistance. Okay, so this is due to Joule's law. Okay, that is Joule's heating. In Joule's law of heating you learned earlier. Okay, due to that only we will have this wastage. So you must reduce this heat loss there. So for that, what you must do, we can do two things. You can either reduce the current. Okay, reduce the current. That's one way. Okay, current, or you can reduce the resistance. Okay, reduce the resistance. Okay, reducing resistance means what you must do, we can use thick wires. Okay, so to reduce the resistance you can use a thick wires there. Okay, very thick wire can be used to reduce the resistance. For example, 1 meter thick wire. Okay, like that way. But a very thick wire is very expensive, and also the towers, okay, or the electrical post is very expensive. We have a very difficult design also. Okay, so what we can do, we can try to reduce the current there. Okay, so if you reduce the current means the heat wastage will be reduced. Okay, so let's see this now. So we have power station. Okay, so commonly we have the dam here. Okay, so dams will produce the power. So that voltage is around 400 volts, for example. Okay, numbers are not necessary. Okay, just for information. Okay, it produces around 400 volts. Then goes to step up transformer. The step up transformer will change it to at least 11,000 volts. Okay, 11,000 volts or still higher also sometimes. Okay, so the low voltage is produced, it's stepped up into higher voltage. So 400 volts is changed into this 400. Okay, 400 volts is changed into 11,000 volts. Then we'll go into the wires there. Then outside we have transformers now. The transformers, what will do, will change the 11,000 volts into say 220 volts. Okay, so 220 volts that we need. Okay, and it will give to a city substation and it will come to us. Okay, so now that you know, okay, so why we use this is, so when you step up the voltage, current will decrease. Okay, and when current decreases, the heat loss is reduced. So in this way we can send the energy from one place to next place efficiently. Okay, so this is about the advantage of using AC in long distance power transmission. If you use DC means it will get waste only. Okay, DC means what happens due to heat loss. Okay, energy will be wasted. So energy you can send to long distance only using alternating current. Okay, more efficiently. Thank you for watching.